In this modernizing and changing world, where everything are drastically improving and advancing, everybody have always been a part of this venture. With the unified key components that make this grow, it leads to a success of self, local, national, and worldwide betterment. One of these key components is education. Education that usually shapes and help us to know our roles. Roles we play that leads to a better society, better world. It may be a profession, advocates, contribution, and etc. Of course, education is done in an institution.
University is a regional state and co-educational higher education institution in Legazpi City, Albay. It is partly subsidized by Philippine government. Students of the university and graduates are referred to as mga scholar ng bayan, but commonly they are called BUNyos. It has external campuses are also called satellite campuses around Sorsogon and Albay. Different courses were provided in every location in their specialized fields. Daraga campus includes College of Business Economics and Management and CSSP. CBEM is one of the greatest delegates in the university. Actually, the college consisted of 4 programs: BS in Economics, BS in Management, BS in Accountancy, and BS in Entrepreneurship. Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship is a 4-year degree program that focuses on how to launch and run a business. The department provides an organization conducts a various of activities. BS in Entrepreneurship has its own organization, the Youth Entrepreneur Society.
When we hear the word entrepreneurship, it always comes in our mind. It is all about it. We choose entrepreneurship not only in our interest or passion, but basically for us to involve in business and for us to run a business and manage it. This course can help improve our skills and to be creative in thinking ideas and innovations. Also, it interests on developing our leadership, restraint, self-development, and decision-making.
As a college student, I learned in school is being practical, because nowadays, the most in-demand course is into business and management. It was interesting and challenging at the same time. As a student, you should work on your logical skills, plus hard work and passion to get things excellent. You have also a character who wanted to be a teacher.
Know that being a student is tiring and sometimes we think of giving up. But we continue to fight so that we can achieve the desired success. We don't need many goals, we just need to survive as of now. And this is the Bicol University.